Right, next one. So it says, to heat the house, the boiler transfers 15 megajoules. So again, that should be ringing alarm bells. We need to convert that. Okay, so what we do is we go and notice it's a big M, a capital M. So we go to our sheet, which we should memorize for exam, and know that a big M is 10 to the power 6. Okay, so what we need to do is do 15 times by 10 to the power 6. If we do that on our calculator, 15 times by 10 to the power 6, that gives us 15 million. So equals 15123 Okay, and that's our first one, but it's also measured in minutes. We need to convert to seconds. So if we look here, minutes on our sheet is here. If I want to go to seconds, I times by 60. Okay, so what I would do is do 10 times 60, which gives us 600 seconds. Okay, so now we've got our two conversions, we've got 2 marks. So then we write C FIFA. Now we've already done our conversions. I didn't want to do them down here because we didn't have enough room, but we can say time equals 600 seconds, and then we can say energy equals 15 million. Okay, now we've got to find an equation that's got power, energy, and time in it. Okay, power, energy, time. We want to work out power. So what we do is we go down our list and we find something with power, energy, and time in. So not that one, not that one, not that one, not that one, but we've got power, we've got energy, and we've got time, and we write it like that. So we can write power equals energy divided by time, and then replace our letters with numbers. So the power is what we're trying to work out, and our energy is 15 million divided by our time, which we've worked out as 600. Now we don't need to rearrange, so all we need is the answer. So we've already got 15 million on our calculator. Divide by 600, that gives us 25,000 watts. So the answer is 25,000. 25,000. Now we're going to go straight on to this one because that was quite quick. So it says write down the equation with energy, power, and time. So it's just the same equation. Okay, so we've got to be smart about this, and then with this one we can not bother rearranging. Let me show you why. So we've got energy, power, and time. So we could use that one, energy, power, and time, but we could continue on down and we've got the same equation rearranged for you. Energy equals power times time. So we've got the same ones, all right, just there, but that's be rearranged for you so you don't have to bother doing it yourself. So all we do is write that there, E equals P times T. So we write E equals P times T. Make sure you get the right, whether they're capitals or lowercase, but that would be enough to get you 1 mark. And then we do this down here. Okay, so we write C FIFA, ready, like so, and then all we do is read the question. The battery was fully charged when it was put into the mobile phone. The battery discharged when the mobile phone was switched on. The average power output of the battery as it discharged was 0.46 watts. So we're okay with that. We don't need any conversions because that's just watts. The time taken to fully discharge the battery was 2,500 minutes. But we do with this, it must always be measured in seconds. So we need to convert minutes to seconds. Minutes to seconds is times by 60. So first thing I'm going to do is do 2,500 times by 60 gives us 2,500 times by 60 gives us 150,000. 150,000 seconds. So then all we do is use this. E equals P times T. Replace the letters with numbers. So our power is 0.46 and our time is 150,000. We don't need to rearrange because we're smart about it on the equation sheet. So we've got 150,000 times by 0.46. That gives us 69,000. So the answer is 69,000. Okay, 69,000 joules. Often the number for energy is quite high for joules, which we've got here. Thank you.